Well, hello everybody. It's Thursday, August 13th, 2009. It is 11:33 in the morning, London time. London session has been going for a few hours now. Trading is a little slow. We took a couple trades tonight and basically broke even. But I wanted to go over what we did. It was a great night in the room. We had 10 people in there tonight. And it's actually just a lot of fun. If you're a trader and you're sitting at your computer all by yourself, it's actually nice to be able to interact with people. It can be a little distracting sometimes, taking your eyes off the charts, reading posts and whatnot, reading the chat. But for the most part, it was a good night. And Martin from Switzerland joined us again. We really appreciate it. He is a professional trader also and trades the same type of support resistance breaks that I do. He has a very disciplined trade plan, and we all appreciate hearing his thoughts and his ideas on money management and whatnot. He's a very disciplined trader. And we just it really makes the room a lot more interesting, because there's always something to talk about rather than just listening to me and having me try to think of something to say all the time, because half the time I'm just staring at charts. And anyway, guys, well, let's take a look at this. The first trade we were looking at was the euro yen. What we were watching for was, I was originally watching for a break of this 3,700. And it did happen, made the break, but we were watching this high over here at 37.24. Knew that was going to be a hurdle. And you can see that it made this break and came back down. So what we were looking for is, when it does this, there's obviously some resistance here, because there's either people got stops and they're selling off, or people are just taking sells here, or people are just closing out trades altogether, profit taking. So we were watching this area getting weakened, and so it hit here, came back down, and then made another run up, and then it broke up, but then was having a little trouble right around this area. But anyway, we ended up getting in. I ended up getting in at 25, and it made the move up. And just to protect profits, I went to break even. I manually, in my head, was closed my trade at break even. I didn't set a stop, but I ended up getting out. Actually, I'm sorry, I lost 7 pips on that trade. Martin got out at break even. And the price action was a little sloppy. And then we had the news announcement come out. We had the European Central Bank news come out. I haven't been able to research and see what the actual news was, but it brought the price of the euro down a little bit, and that's what stopped us out. And again, Martin and I, doing our chat and everything, we looked at the calendar and talked about it, and we were so excited about watching the trade and talking to everyone that we actually forgot about the news announcement, and that's what happens when you do not concentrate on what you're doing. So anyway, another lesson learned. Luckily, we didn't take too big of a hit. Like I said, Martin broke even, and I lost 7 pips on that one. And then the rest of the room, I know, were taking trades too. I don't know how they fared. And then again here, we were looking at the CAD. The prior resistance was up around the 60 level, the 108.60, and I adjusted this support resistance line down to meet these former lows from yesterday. So we were watching as it was ranging around in here. It took a bounce off of here earlier in the session before London opened. I was watching for a possible break up, but that didn't happen. And when it started to fall, wanted to watch for a breach. of this level here, and took trades at 45. We took sells at 45. Martin and I did, and again, it just lost momentum. Oil prices we were watching were going up, but for some reason, all of a sudden, the dollar just started to get some strength back, and I stopped out with 5 pips, so I ended up minus 2 pips on the day. Martin again stopped out at break even. So just really weak price action right now. Couldn't get any momentum out of the trades today, but that's Forex, guys. Just got to keep patient, keep those stops tight, and that's why we didn't take a loss or anything significant anyway. So guys, I just want to thank those of you that did join the room. It was a lot of fun, and it could only get better. So for those of you that have not been to the room yet, please take advantage of it. Go to the blog, or the website as we call it. It's fxtradepros.com. It's here at the bottom of the screen, or will be shortly, and you'll see it's been in prior videos, but we'll reiterate. There's a little sign-in, we call a widget, and if it says live, that means we're on, and you can enter the room when we're live. If not, you can reserve a spot by going in there, and all you got to do is enter your email, and it'll send you an email notifying that the room is open or any changes that are made. But we go every Tuesday night, or actually, well, I won't say night. We'll go every Tuesday through Friday trading sessions of the London market. We open at the trade room up at 6:30 London time in the morning, so that's an hour and a half before London market opens. That is my favorite time to trade, and Martin, also the other trader. We just like to watch price action and like how momentum builds going into the market opening. And since we play breaks of support resistance levels, I also play breaks of consolidations, consolidation squeezes as I call them, and squeezes against support and resistance levels. I mean, we look for that momentum to burst into the market and drive the price a certain way so we can take trades and make profit. Simple as that. Anyway, guys, appreciate you listening, and please, it's a free resource. Come onto the trade room and talk Forex with everybody. And if you want to take some advice from some professional traders, that's what we're here for. So anyway, guys, have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.